welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. I hope the focus is good because this is the third time I'm doing the intro. And I am in my hotel room. If you guys have seen my Delhi vlog, recent vlog, you guys would know I am in Delhi for the Delhi pop-up space workshop. YouTube workshop. I am here for 2 days and this is day 1. I am tired AF. I thought I will be doing a makeup tutorial. It will be like get ready with me in a hotel room, something like that, but I'm so tired and I was so damn late because I was sleeping. I came here, I did check in and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna sleep because I was too tired. So I was so late I couldn't film that, and the lighting is very yellow, so you guys will say it's very yellow, we don't understand, and I'm very sorry for the noise. Anyway guys, so I thought I will share my skincare routine which I have been following these days. So if you want to see, oh my god, so if you guys want to see what is my skincare routine and what products I am carrying, so then please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna use is my favorite thing. This is the Tea Tree Body Shop facial cleanser. I am breaking out at this moment because this actually helps to calm your skin, and I really like it. Because of traveling, I do get breakout. Anyway, please ignore that. I am carrying my FOREO Lona. I have been trying this from April and I absolutely love this. If you guys want me to review this, let me know. I would love to review this because this is very expensive and I really like it, so I really want to talk about this in another video of mine. So first I'm going to use both of this in my washroom. So I'm going to just open this door because that's the washroom door, and I'm just going to go and wash my face. So stay tuned and keep watching. So this is already wet. I'm just going to start and so the next product I'm going to use is the PIXI Vitamin C Juice Cleanser. This is something I have just started using it and I am actually trying this product. I can't talk about this right now because it has been only 3 to 4 days I'm trying this out, and I really like the packaging of this. You have to just press it. Now cleansing is done totally. Now for toner, I will be using the Beautyco Tea Tree Skin Toner. Love this stuff. I have been using this for like a week and I love it. It just makes my skin so hydrating and so calming. Love it. Oh, it feels really cool too. So the next and the last product I am actually using at this moment is the YBP Plant Remedy, and the difference it made in one use is so incredible. I am actually trying this out. I don't want to talk about this now, but I absolutely love this. So I will be doing an in-depth review about this, but after some time. So let's use this. This is the travel size packaging, by the way. Just going to apply it a little bit, and it is really good and smells amazing. I like to massage it in. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you liked it, do subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.